Right click on slide and on layout select blend. Again, right click, choose format background. From colors, choose this black color. Next step is to insert images. You are free to choose whatever images to like, but for this video, I'm going to choose some art images stored on my device. Click on crop to crop the image. I'm putting a fixed width of 5 cm. Using align tools, align the image in the center of the slide. Make about 4 copies using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V and distribute horizontally at even spaces. I'm gonna move them a little bit up. Now right click and select change picture and choose stored images. It will change the current image. Click on first image, choose format picture. Under soft edges, change the transparency to 13. Go to format painter, double click it so you can paste the properties to multiple objects. Go to insert and insert a circle using shift key to make a circle, else it will make an oval shape. Now make multiple copies and place them under the images. Select all the circles using shift key and using align tool, center them in the middle. Choose this shape fill color. Insert a line joining the color shapes. Now insert a text box. I'm using the Californian FB font. Put some content. Align the text. I'm going to fast forward this part. Now using Alt D shortcut, make 4 copies of first slide. Come back on first slide. Delete the last 4 circle shapes. Choose second image and on picture format, go to color option and set color saturation to 0. The same for other 4 images. Select second text format shape, then text options, set transparency to 75%. Double-click Format Painter and paste the effects to other 4 text content. Moving to second slide, repeat the color saturation for all the images except second image. Copy the text effect from the first slide and paste it in the second slide, except the second text content. Also delete the circle shapes from under the images which are not saturated. Slide 2 being selected, go to Transitions and choose Morph. You can see the effect working now. Repeat the previous steps for the left slides. Apply Morph Transitions to them.